How to change wallpaper on WhatsApp. Here's how. First, start by opening the WhatsApp app on a device. Then tap the three vertical dots at the upper right corner to open the main menu. From here, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Chats. Next, under the Display section, find and select the default chat theme to begin customizing the look of your chat. After that, tap on Wallpaper to choose a new wallpaper for your conversation. Here you will be presented with two options. Choose the default wallpaper from the available option, or tap Choose from Gallery if you prefer setting a custom image from your phone gallery. In addition, if you would like to change the chat icon color, simply tap on the small circle icon located at the bottom left and choose the color. Once you are happy with your wallpaper and color selection, hit the check mark at the top right to save your changes. And just like that, you now know how to change wallpaper on WhatsApp.